Hi there, it's Simon here. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to book a car with Cars on Demand using our app. Here we go. You just open your Cars on Demand app. You click on here, you say new booking, and we're going to go from Sydney Airport Domestic Terminal, and our flight number is JQ522. I already know where I'm going and it's in my favorites. That's done, so I just want to click on the date and time. I'll work my way through this list. So I fly in on the 27th at 9:10 p.m. There we go. And I can give the driver instruction to enter the terminal 15 minutes after touchdown. And I don't want to pay with my corporate card. I want to pay with the corporate card. So there you go, there's the last 4 digits. And if you have any notes, you can type them in for the driver. And just click on book now, and that's it. You've just booked a car. There it is.